Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in urban planning and development projects. Their expertise lies in accurately mapping and measuring the land's physical features, such as its elevation, contours, and natural and man-made structures. In Gurgaon Sector 29, where rapid urbanization is taking place, the need for topographical surveyors becomes even more significant. With its growing population and increasing infrastructure demands, it is vital to have accurate and up-to-date information about the land's topography. This is where topographical surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29 come into play. Scon Design is a well-established company that specializes in providing topographical surveying services in Gurgaon Sector 29. With their team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art equipment, they are able to offer accurate and detailed surveys for various purposes. Whether it is for land development, construction projects, or environmental planning, Scon Design ensures that their clients have access to reliable data that can guide their decision-making process. This may include using DGP's technology to establish precise locations, laser scanners to measure distances, or aerial photography to capture detailed images from an elevated perspective. By utilizing these tools and methods, they are able to produce comprehensive topographical maps that accurately represent the terrain of Gurgaon Sector 29. One of the key advantages of hiring topographical surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29, such as Scon Design, is their ability to provide valuable insights for urban planning and development projects. With their expertise in analyzing the land's topography, they can identify potential challenges or opportunities that may impact the success of a project. For example, they can determine if there are any natural obstacles like steep slopes or water bodies that need to be considered during the construction process. In urban planning and development efforts, topographical surveyors are essential. The physical characteristics of the land, such as its elevation, contours, and natural and man-made structures, are their areas of competence. There is an even greater requirement for topographical surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29, where urbanization is advancing quickly. It is critical to have precise and current knowledge of the land's topography, given the rising demands for infrastructure and its expanding population. Sector 29 of Gurgaon's topographical surveyors come into play in this situation. Sector 29 in Gurgaon is home to the reputable business Scon Design, which specializes in offering topographical surveying services. They can provide precise and thorough surveys for a variety of purposes thanks to their team of highly qualified personnel and cutting-edge machinery. Scon Design makes sure that their clients have access to trustworthy data so that their decisions may be supported, whether they are planning for environmental planning, construction projects, or land development. The topographical surveyors at Scon Design collect information about the land's features using cutting-edge surveying methods. This could involve the use of laser scanners to measure distances, DGP's technology to determine exact locations, or aerial photography to take detailed pictures from a high vantage point. They may create thorough topographical maps that precisely depict the